case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, a shocking revelation unfolded within the walls of Parchman State Penitentiary, leading to a lawsuit that notably tested the sentencing guidelines in a case known as United States v. Brown. The protagonist in this tale of deception was Jackie Brown, a contract food manager at the penitentiary. Brown was charged with designing and executing an elaborate scam that relied, in part, on his position of trust within the prison system. His flagship crime: the conspiracy to alter and pass fraudulent postal money orders. Additionally, he was charged with aiding and abetting mail fraud. The trial court found Brown guilty, relying heavily on the fraudulent money order scheme he orchestrated. He did not just carry out an ordinary scam. His plan was meticulous and well-crafted, targeting his victims with calculated precision. Brown preyed specifically on vulnerable older women, often widows with minimal family presence, exploiting them in a heartless game of fraud. Brown, an unsuspected figure thanks to his trusted position within the active prison, used his role to significantly facilitate his fraudulent activities. His authority allowed him access to inmates without inspection, a privilege he manipulated effectively for his means. Following the court's verdict, Brown launched an appeal contesting the decision. He pled for a reduction in his sentence, noting that the actual loss from his crimes was only $700. However, his plea was summarily dismissed. The court upheld the sentencing guidelines, which stated that the intended procedural loss overrode actual loss, if proven to be greater. Further, the court rejected Brown's request to dismiss count 2 of the charges. A wealth of evidence, other money orders, cash, and witness testimonies, painted a clear picture of the systematic fraudulent schemes Brown undertook. On concluding the appeal, the court reaffirmed Brown's conviction and sentence. The judges found no errors in the original trial proceedings, and the evidence stood uncompromised. With this decision, the case underscored the application of the sentencing guidelines in the face of complex sentencing issues, and affirmed the court's commitment to issues such as victim vulnerability and the abuse of trust.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.